guys. This is exactly
Yeah, let's knock this off. All right, what do we got here, Brandon?
Oh, you know it's a big day at Reparadise when you get 4,000 pounds of ultralight plywood and some of this hex ply. This is Baltic birch that's laminated with this waterproof and traction style laminated material on top. It's super fucking cool. Don't mind my bad words, I'm excited. So we'll get some of this stuff out of here, but the most exciting thing is now we're getting pre-finished ultralight, so we don't have to lacquer it.
So we gotta go dig through this.
Yeah. So we're gonna be offering all this stuff for sale on our site. You can see the core of this. This is the hex. It's that nice Baltic core. So almost structural. It's got, I don't know how many plies in there. Yeah.
It's stacked deep, and then beneath it.
So we're gonna be offering both 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. This is nice for just some shelving. It'll still be super strong, but thinner. And then, nope, this isn't the pre-finished, but it looks like it's down there. See how He-Man we can get.
There you go, that's good.
Yeah, there we go.
Sweet.
So this almost looks, you know, with that pre-finish on there, it almost looks like pre-finished maple ply core. So this is gonna be pretty awesome to use as far as interior finished cabinetry, where you still want to have a nice finished look, but you don't like that working with that finish on the ultralight. It's never been really nice. I'm pretty happy to offer that.
So this is the unfinished.
Yeah, it might be hard to see in the video, but I mean, just super nice and slick. So all this stuff is available for local pickup. Check it out on our e-commerce page. And yeah, come get some of this and put it in your next van or trailer build. See if I can, I don't know if I can get it in there.
Get your safety glasses on, dude. You need a bigger one, huh? Oh dear. I'm glad I caught this on video.
We have a pair of non-weak.
Go ask Spencer.
I just got away with it with this.
Woo!